Hello guys, into another video. I'm here without Alan, because he is not here. I totally did not run him over with my car. Let's go, we're gonna do some adventuring. Okay, I don't know where to go this time. There's like not really places to go here. They got rid of the old forest map. No, they got rid of the new forest map thing. So I don't got really anything to do. So guys, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go skiing. And I'm too scared to go over there, so
I need two more lap boobers and I'm done.
okay. I don't got love.
I need two more lap.
What is this? I
Oh,
just
it's a
grabbed.
tire, so it's like a tire thing. It goes on your, like, you know what? Like, you get a car and there's wheels on it. That's what it's for.
I'm pretty sure that's not what it's used for.
I'm about to blow your mind.
I'm just gonna sell this. Okay. I already had one of those.
Here, you can take them. You can take this one. You can take it. I don't want it.
Okay. I'm gonna sell this.
Not the Game Boy.
Oh, Game Boy?
I got it.
Bruh, did
I got
somebody...
two. I got two more I like to give you. I got two more I like to give you.
I'm pretty sure this will work. Oh, it didn't work.
Yo, here. Here, I got 2 bullets.
Oh, okay. Bro, you're not gonna just stun me. You have to get in here. Like, bro, don't stun me.
No, you wanna stun my Naboo?
Don't stun me, bro. Bro, I put the key in there already, bro.
I can't. You can't. So
Yes, I can. Look.
It will give you 1,000 dead.
Look.
It will give you 2 million.
I got the key on my back. Bro!
Selling them. Let's see how much money. Wow, that's how much it sells for. That's good.
Guys, this bro just took my money right now. Like, this is a scammer. He's a scammer. He's Indian scammer 400. Wow, I got money.
What can you buy with it?
I don't know.
You want to be a part of my scam team?
What staff team? I'm just recording a video, not gonna lie.
Now you could be a part of it. I mean, I'll tell my friend Nashy to put your part. He's
He's
a good friend.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yo, may God bless you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay.
You want to see what I got from the old update from a long time ago? I got
not
2
really.
of these. It's pretty. You know did you wish you had a Pokemon card?
No,
Why?
cause something goes
Do you
somewhere.
have one already?
No, but my friend could mod for me. I have a modder friend. He's just gonna mod stuff in.
Oh, can you wait? Is he online right now? Or is he online
No.
right now?
No one's online right now, except for you. Ooh, Coke.
I'm gonna see my other friends that are online.
Ooh, Coke. Guys, bro, I don't think I can.
You're the only one online for me.
Yeah, cause it's like a Thursday. Everybody probably has school.
It's the weekend for me.
Wow. It must be very nice for you.
Thanks, Candy. Come back up. I got something.
I'm in sewers though. I'm gonna complete it because I need money. Yeah, guys. Okay.
I got something.
Like, guys. So I'm gonna complete sewers because I need money for it. Because they got like suitcases in that. Like, bro, I'm scared of the worm, not gonna lie. What are you supposed to do against the worm? Because it couldn't one-shot you. Like, bro, couldn't they, like, make it one-shot so if you had a gun, you can kill it? Because it spawns right at the entrance of the end. And you can't really do anything about it. Every time I've gone here, it spawns on me and I have to leave the game. Okay, not now. Thank God, guys. We're already at the end. But you're lucky that the worm didn't spawn on me, or I would have left the game.
I got something crazy in my hand.
I'm at the end.
How are you at it?
I'm at the end of sewers.
At the end of sewers, where does it lead to?
It goes to this place where you can get suitcases.
Wait,
Guys, the reason why I put
can you?
goop on
I
my...
want to go too.
Well, it's hard to bring people here because there's a worm at the gate to the end, and I hate the worm. Okay, guys, these suitcases.
I kind of want to leave. Oh, I kind of want to go.
All right, I'll bring you after I'm back. After I come back.
Okay, get the budget.
Okay, guys, we just got a suitcase. Okay, now we're gonna do this suitcase. We're gonna put it on this goop. Guys, I like and hate the heart gun, not gonna lie. Because, dude, I have to get suitcases with this. But it takes my health every time I use it. And no, I don't want to bring anything to heal myself. Bro, are you speedrunning sewers? Oh my god.
No,
Oh,
I'm just breathing. I breathe like that.
alright. You're gonna hyperventilate. You know, you're gonna do something that will harm your body, so don't do that. Don't breathe like that. Damn. Coughing. Okay. Okay, we're gonna... Guys, I hate this part. Cause I have to... Bro. Oh, I remember a worm can spawn here. Oh. Hello, fishy. You leave me alone, fish. The fishies have it out. The fishes have that. The fishes have out. Yay, I'm back.
Where even are you?
I'm on top of the tree. That's where you spawn after completing sewers.
How the hell did it? What?
But
I
don't.
better just.
Can you?
Oh, I'm a first gun.
Can you not
I'm
steal
gonna
my
hunt
stuff,
them,
bruh?
man.
Can you not steal my stuff? Can you... So I'm just trying to get money, bruh.
Can I have a heart?
No, not yet, bruh. After I get paid with this money, bruh.
I want to get out. I want to get out.
Yeah, I'll help you, bro. I'll help you get it. Wait, did you get it on my shit? I sold him for $3,000.
No. I'm still alive, even though I broke my neck.
Okay, guys, let me add more goop to this. Okay, bruh,
Do you
you
even-
need an umbrella. Okay, you need the umbrella and this. Okay,
Got a weapon.
take these two. Put the weapon down. You only need those two.
Right now, I'll just put one behind my.
Yeah, just throw that way.
I just want.
Okay,
I don't have hip slots yet.
yeah, follow me. You're lucky I have hip slots for my light. Don't use the hard gun yet. Bro, what did I say? Not to use the hard gun yet. Okay. So we have to keep it at red. The red one helps us for one thing and one thing only. It helps us get the stuff that we need. Like the suitcases. Oh no. Yo, bro, get close, get close. Whenever the... Yeah, the green.
I'm here.
Hey, dude, can you revive me?
Oh shit. Good boy. Holy.
Just run,
Yo.
just run. We're just
Watch
running
out!
this.
Watch out!
Just run.
Watch out!
Okay. We have to wait until that goes red and then green. Okay, we're not using the heart gun yet. We're not using. Okay, go.
Green. I bet you on my mind.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna speedrun this kid because he's less annoying than Alan. Where'd he go? I told him not to use that heart gun as well. Oh,
I'm coming down.
dude, I told you not to use the heart gun.
My screen
okay.
was blank.
We're gonna go to that tube over there. Open your umbrella. No, open your umbrella, bro. Open your umbrella. Open it and put it on your back.
I'm scared.
Okay,
I
then
need this phone.
jump. Look down to go down. Okay, just get in. Okay. Okay, let's go. Guys, not gonna lie, this dude follows my orders more than Alan. Hey, open your umbrella again. You need it for this part.
What is this?
It's another parkour area, okay? You need to jump, hit the wall. Yeah. Okay, you have to jump, hit the wall, and go over here. No, don't use the hard gun. Are you insane?
I'm over here now. I think I'm on the next tube. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Is this the way?
Yeah, wait. Okay, you going first.
At least
You going first. And he's over there.
And I don't like that.
Okay, get up on top. We have to wait until he despawns. I'll be the lookout. Stay up there. He's still there.
Did he?
I see him.
Wait. Get up here.
No, I don't think he can see me that well.
There's a gimmick. You better not go in there by one step.
Okay,
Live out
okay.
your
We have to wait until he spawns in a corner, okay? I'll tell you when it's safe. It's not safe yet. We have to wait until he spawns over here. Okay? Okay, like I said, stay up there.
Boing.
Keep your umbrella on.
I am.
I said open. You're closing it, okay? If you fall, you need the umbrella. Okay, I'm just waiting for this worm to despawn. Okay. Okay. Every time he sees us.
We're dead.
No, we're not dead. He can't get up there. He can't get up there to kill us.
Is that a big bomb? I never see that.
It's over there. I wish I brought a flashbang. Because I would throw the flashbang at him and then we would run.
Wait, that's enough. Wait, we can go. We can just die and go back to spawn and.
But I bought this stuff. So we're not dying yet. Bro, let's just run it. Oh shit!
We're all dead.
Bro, I told you to get up there.
I'm gonna buy some beans.
Bro, Okay.
Get some of that. Get some of the beans. And
No.
become a banana brother. Become a banana brother.
Bro,
Become a banana brother. Become a
dude, stop
banana.
screaming at me. Dude,
Become a banana.
bro. I can eat the banana. Bro.
Here.
Let's just eat the baked beans.
Well, at least here. Have the banana chips.
I already had one thing. Fine, I'll eat the banana chips. Okay, we used the flashbang to our advantage.
But are you sure?
Okay, get an umbrella. Get an umbrella.
I don't own them yet, and I don't have enough money.
Okay, you have to find one down there.
Banana chips.
Okay, if we go there fast enough, we could get our stuff back. Bro, revive me.
Where are you?
Right
Yo,
here.
I'm right here.
Yeah, I'm right here. Revive me.
I want to try a little thing. Yup.
Okay, we have to keep going. I lost my baked bean effect.
Where are you?
I already went. You have to find an umbrella.
Yo, can you come back? I'm kind of scared.
Scared of what?
I might have not got a mimic on me. There's literally a mimic on.
Okay, you need an umbrella.
Oh my.
Yes. Find a crossbow, give it to me. Oh, okay, I need that. Okay, you need an umbrella. Go find an umbrella.
Go over there. He goes over there.
I'm strong.
Bro, find an umbrella. He's lighting it up, these guys. Guys, he might be slightly getting on my nerves.
Where are you?
Already went to the tube. You need an umbrella. You have an umbrella?
No, I can't find one.
Fine, you have to do the parkour section. You can't fly over them.
I'm good at it. I'm good at this.
Okay, then. You say
Did
so.
you turn your flash? Oh, you didn't bring it.
Yeah, like I said, guys, it's slightly getting on my nerves. I need to go shit, actually. Guys, I want to leave and go use the bathroom, bro. Can't just leave.
Yo, I'm
this
gonna
kid.
hop on you. See you later. Oh, let me see if one of my friends are on. None of them are not. Yo, Which should I hop on, Militech or Yeet?
Okay. Just get the suitcases and leave. Okay, guys, we are doing this without the kid.
Yo, I'm at spawn.
I'm already at the end. I found all my stuff. I got him, and I'm already going to the end. I'm already at the end.
Make sure to bring stuff back.
I will.
Make sure to pack bags. Like those cases worth a lot, so they give me a lot.
I'm not gonna give him any. Cause I worked hard for this, but I told him this wouldn't be a good idea. But he wanted to come, and he didn't survive. So I'm not gonna pack him any. Skyfall. Just gonna wait until
You
it's
back?
not yet. I got so much room for someone.
I died and I spawned on top of stump.
Okay.
I'm still waiting here for you to.